For us naman, we expected naman a tough fight against UST. The way they run the program this season, nakita naman natin as the season progressed, they were improving a lot. On our end, importante sa amin right now was, the way we responded. First half na medyo our offense didn't get anything rhythm-wise offensively. I believe second half we started moving the ball well, reading off each other, then we got the momentum.
Thank you, Hal. You have 16 points, 3 rebounds, 1 assist, and mga crucial yung mga tira mo in the fourth quarter to preserve the lead. So ano masasabi mo na ito, nasa finals kayo ulit ha?
Siguro boost ulit siya ng confidence ko papasok sa finals. Yun din, kailangan ko din yun, and kailangan din ng team namin yun na parang pag may mga ganong sitwasyon, parang ready lang kami sa mga parang ibibigay sa amin ng defense.
Thank you. And batting team, good numbers po you this afternoon. So ano masasabi mo na ito, may chance kayo para may balik yung corona sa team?
Siguro magsisimula po yun sa ensayo namin. Siguro may 1 week preparation po kami. So doon po muna namin sisimula bawat ensayo po. Bawat practice na bibigay ng Coach Will. Harapin namin sa team.
Thank you. QFB, 9 points, 19 rebounds, 4 blocks, 3 assists. So now you're now in the finals and you have a shot of winning a UAP championship in your first and only year. So what can you say to it?
I think it was a hard-fought game from us. The coaches prepared us for what we needed to do. They said from the start that it was going to be a war going in there. But we have 2 more games we have to lock into.
And guys, all questions first are for Coach Baldwin. So the floor is open for questions.
Coach, third quarter, it seems like UST anim na yung lamang, then all of a sudden, may parang bumawag kayo, flip the switch. Coach, can you take us back to that third quarter run? Anong magandang ginawa ng team na nagbago after that?
Minsan kasi syempre nung first half, I felt na mas medyo, we played medyo tense ng konti. Minsan kasi ganun, sobrang gusto natin manalo, minsan medyo nagmamadali. But then the second half, I believe na, they trusted each other more. I think mas naintindihan namin na, we should, sa bakit ng challenges, we should play together. Which naman, nangyari ng third quarter sa akin.
Anyway, Coach Gold, this is your chance na makabawi kayo from the last 2 final losses. So, anong treatment nyo dito pa? Siyempre, just when season 84 pa kayo huli ang champion.
Sa amin naman, siyempre, from the last season, yung nangyari sa amin, kumbaga, we took that into heart. And I believe it all started naman nung first day of practice namin this year. We as a team, kumbaga yung goal namin is, to take it 1 game at a time, umabot kami sa finals. Nandito na kami. We might have, yun naman sa finals, di ba? Mag-start kami sa 0-0. So, it's a best of 3 series. So, we're looking forward to, prepare and, play our best pagkabot ng series.
Coach, of course, never naman nasa-satisfy in terms of expectations or kung ano yung gusto mo makita sa boys mo. Pero at this point of the season, would you say na going into the finals, nakikita mo naman na ito yung expect mo from them or may hinahanap mo sa kanila para this time na yung isa siya?
Kami kasi sa team, kumbaga everyday, lagi namin hinahanap in terms of anong pwede namin ma-improve, sa sarili namin, sa team namin. And especially na, yun naman usapan namin before na, kahit naman mag-start yung season as we go along, kahit sa semis, whatever we could learn from it, kumbaga as a team, we're going to focus on that improvement.
We'll let Coach thank you very much.
Sige,
Congratulations.
salamat. Ayos yun.
Okay, we are mostly questions to our players, so any questions to you?
Aaron, yun, after your career high, 23 points, ngayon 16, would you say na hinahanap mo yung shot mo ngayon magagawin into this game talaga? Naghanap ka ng scoring opportunities or naturally lang lumabas yung
I mean, nung first half, parang inamin ko sa sarili ko, parang pilit yung first half ko, kaya parang hindi napupunta sa akin. So, nag-adjust ako second half, kung anong binibigay na lang sa akin, naghanap lang ako ng paraan. Yun lang, parang gano'n.
Currently, you were the recipient of the sportsmanlike fouls. Could you tell us how did you stay composed?
I mean, just the coaches prepared us for that. They said, whatever happens, the game's going to get scrappy. So just whatever happens, play through it, and just don't let them get into your mind because you don't want to be in a situation where you sacrifice a future for what we're looking at. So they prepared us that way.
For Raylan, siguro ano na lang yung naging mindset mo, being one of the players din talaga na inaasahan na si JD or si Aaron, pero ikaw na lumalabas sa yung scoring mo para sa inyo.
Siguro ano lang, ng tempo-tempo lang sa akin. Kasi yung may role ako sa team, so siguro yung mga shots ko na nangyari lang yun. Tapos siguro magkumpiyansa lang ako. Sabi lang din ni Coach Gol na magkakumpiyansa lang ako kung may binigay na oras na open lang. Tira ko lang.
It's gonna be your first Final Four, it's gonna be your first finals here in the knowing the history, of course, of the past few decades, what's your mindset going into it, especially as being one of the new recruits for the team?
For me, it's just all about winning, whatever it takes. Everyone needs to step up on the team. Everyone knows that there's going to be sacrifices that need to be made, and just be prepared to do whatever it takes.
For Harold and Raylan, the first time we saw you last year, nakala niyo yung pinanalo ng championship. Siguro, although hindi pa natin alam kung sino yung kalaban niya this time sa finals, ano na lang yung mindset niya na kumbaga ba iba yung maging final product this time ng season?
Siguro yung mindset namin na maging ready lang talaga ako. Kahit sino man kalaban namin. Kasi yun naman lagi yung sinasabi sa amin ng Coach Gol. Kahit sino man kalaban namin, bigay namin lahat ng meron kami. Saka makakaya namin. Siguro prepare lang kami ng maayos sa akin.
Siguro para sa akin, expect natin na lang pero mag-prepare, maging ready lang for everything na mangyayari sa finals. Yun nga masakit nga yung nangyari sa amin, dalawang finals na runner-up. Tingnan na natin this season.
To the players, although yun nga, 3-0 nyo UST this season, pero binigyan kayo ng magandang laban. So what are your thoughts playing against UST Harold?
Siguro napaganda yung laro dahil sa binigay nilang magandang laban din. Nakita namin kung paano kami mag-respond sa mga ganung sitwasyon, paano kami naging buo, naging team pa sa loob. Makakatulong sa amin yung papasok sa finals na nangyari sa amin yun. May mga adversity, may mga hindi okay na nangyayari, and the way namin i-handle yung mga ganung bagay para makakatulong siya sa amin papasok sa finals.
Same question nila. Gano'n yung importante yung game ng UST kaya into the finals?
Siyempre, sobrang hirap din kasi alam naman natin, first game galing championship yun. Then, Cabanero, physical pa. Tsaka scoring net. Later, siguro na binigyan kami nila ng magandang laban, tapos binigyan kami ng magandang preparation para magtapos.
And last
As they said, mindset, just be prepared for whatever happens. As a coach and staff, he's going to give us the game plan, and it's up to us to execute.
For the veterans, heading into the season, I couldn't help but feel there was an extra fire within all of you, an extra fight and extra want. Can you confirm or deny that? And if there is that extra something, what do you think the difference is this season? What's the extra drive or motivation?
Siguro yung talo talaga namin last season. Kasi sobrang sakit na binigay sa amin. Sobrang sakit na naranasan ko. Tapos day by day parang iniisip namin yan tuwing practice, tuwing game, para maging motivation.
I mean, yung mga talong ganon, mga failures, ano din sa amin, big help din sa amin as a team and as a player kasi doon kami mag-grow doon kami mag-learn sa mga mistakes namin and doon pa mas lalo na de-develop yung character namin as a team.
Congratulations, Harold, Layla, and you.